Hello friends, uh, today I'm going to start that is matrix operation using calculators. We not supposed we don't know how to use calculator exactly to do matrix multiplication and to find out inverse matrix, all these things. Now let us see how to use calculators in addition, subtraction, multiplication and finding inverse matrix using these calculators. See that this is fx 991ex class, which is very good calculators to solve matrix multiplication, matrix addition or subtraction and inverse matrix. Now I will show you step by step how to use these calculators to find out all these values. So okay, let me first of all write down one question here, that is, suppose a equals to 2 3 minus 1 4. We know that this is 2 by 2 matrix since it has 2 rows 2 columns. This is row 1 row 2 row 1 row 2 and this is column 1 and this is column 2. Okay, so since there is 2 rows 2 columns, we can write it as a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, same as B is another matrix, that is we can write 0 1 5 minus 1 minus 2. So this is also 2 by 2 matrix, since it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Now let us see how to find out a plus b, a multiplied by b. A plus b, if you can manage, you can also manage a minus b. Then how can we find out a inverse? Okay, so let's go through the calculators. Before starting that calculators, just press it on. Now it's open. So let's click on menu and see that if you press here, gradually you can see that it's a matrix, it's in 4. So let me press 4. Okay, now see there are four options are given: matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and matrix D. So let me click on 1. Now they are asking how many rows are there. So let me write here 2 rows, and then how many columns are there. So let me write here 2 columns. Okay, now see it's showing 2 by 2 matrix. Now let me store all this data. The data what I have written 2 3 minus 1 4. So let me store all this data here. So 2, then put equal sign, then minus 1, then 3, then press 4. So okay, so your data is stored now as a matrix A. Now press on again at on button. Now let me press the menu again and press on 4 and let me click 2 to enter data on matrix B. Okay, so same thing we will follow that 2 by 2 matrix since it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So let me write here 2 rows and 2 columns. That's great, I think. So now let me enter the data: 0, then 5, then 1, then minus 2. Okay, so see I have stored all this A and B, these two data. Now it's quite easy to find out A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied by B and inverse of A or inverse of B. So again let press on button. Okay, so let me click here option. Okay, now see here there are 6 parts are given: matrix A, matrix B, from 3 points matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and matrix D, but I stored data in matrix A and matrix B. So let me click on 3, then multiply it. Again let me click on option. Now I stored data on 4, so let me click there. Now see, now you can change there. I made mistake in I just used multiplication sign, so let me use their plus sign, then use equal. So see what is the result. This is the result, 2442. Okay, same as, again press on option, use matrix A, I mean press on 3, minus, again press on option, then press on 4, I mean matrix B. If you press equal sign, the result is matrix A and matrix B subtracted and result is showing in the display. Okay, same as if we try multiplication, let me press on OPTN, I mean maybe it's option, then press on 3, multiplied by again OPTN, press on 4 and put equal sign. Now see, it's showing multiplications result, and if you press you can see all these values there, -1, 12, 4, 7. Okay, now same ways we can find out inverse. We have stored all the data in maths A and matrix A and matrix B. So let me click here again option, then 3, since I stored data in matrix A. Since we are doing inverse, so let me press on inverse x to the power -1 inverse, then press equal sign. See that it's showing in decimal, and if you press individual elements it shows the things in fraction. So this is the result for inverse function. Same way we can do 3 by 3 matrix multiplication, inverse matrix, everything, and 4 by 4 matrix also we can do that. So now let's try one calculations, that is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay,